Hello people, what's up? Welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Justice Emmanuel Akwa and this is Mr. J Graphics. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to design BreakFast church flyer. Let's jump right into the video. So we go back to Photoshop and I downloaded this from FreePay. This are kind of this is the food that I'm going to use to design my BreakFast. So let's go ahead to create our site. So I'm going to file new, and now today we are going to maintain this 20 width inches by 20 height inches, and I'm going to maintain the 300 resolution, and I'll go directly to tab create because I am using Photoshop 2021. So here I'm going to create my background. Okay, so these are the kind of backgrounds that I downloaded, so I'm going to use this ones for the background. So I'll push my background. I'm going to leave the backgrounds in the description. Maybe you can check that out for your work as well. So let's go. I'm going to scale it to this level, scale it to fill in the white background. Then I press OK. So it's okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock it. In Photoshop, after you create another thing, you have to make sure you lock it so that to not distract you or disturb you to do another thing. First, before we do anything else, go ahead and create something on this. So whatever that comes here will come on top of this background. Okay, so what else? I'm going for this this background here. Okay, so I'm going to take this background to my side here like that, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my so I'm going to bring this one here like that, and now I'm going to increase it. Okay, so here we go. It's overlay. So we just have to select it. We just make selections in a way, just to select the gradient, the blend mode, just to know which one is actually suitable for you. This one. So I think this one is okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to decrease the size a little bit. Okay, so I think 30 is okay. Oh, you can see the effect, right? Okay, now I'm going to lock it. Now what I'm going to do is again, I'm going to bring in this. Oops, sorry for that. I'm going to bring this image right here, this shape right here. I'm going to bring that to the top. So you just have to arrange it this way. Now I'm going to type the text. So we are typing the text. Prayer and prophetic. Prayer and prophetic. And then prayer and prophetic breakfast. Breakfast. I'm going to highlight all of them, click on it again, and right click and make skew. So I'm going to skew it to this level. I'm going to skew it, right click, skew. I'm going to hold this point and drag it. And now I'm going to increase it a little bit. So let's zoom out and see the result. Okay, this is okay. And now we are going to bring in the church details. So Control O. And now let's go to this PowerPoint. And I'm going to bring in the logos right there. So just drop the logo right here, like that. Then okay, this is okay for me. Just take your time and arrange it. No. I mean, this design doesn't have the details that I'm looking for. So let's pick this one. Yeah, so I'm going to use the number and I'm going to use the number as well. So let's bring it right here. And then let me bring the details here. I mean the church and this one, then I'll change it. So I'm going to drop that right here. So this one will come down, this one will go up, come down a little bit. Now let me change the date to Sunday. Sunday. What else? Okay, so I'm going to Sunday, this coming Sunday will be 24th, right? Okay, so 24th July 2021. 2022 rather. Now let me change the font to Gotham. Now the time, so let me increase it a little bit. Let me change this one to Gotham as well. Okay, so let me increase it a little bit. Then let me bring this one up a little bit. So then let me create some circle right here. Then change the color. I think it's too big, so let me place it right here. It doesn't make it look nice, so yeah. So guys, that is going to be the end of this tutorial. Okay, so let me change the color of the element like that as well, so that everything will blend as we want it. So thank you guys. This is the end of these tutorials. I know you've enjoyed something, and I'm going to leave the backgrounds link in the description so that you can check that out. My name is Justice, and see you guys on my next